everyone, my name is Kunj and welcome back to our channel. And have you ever seen walking water? Yes, in the rivers water flows, but in our home, no. In our hand, you cannot hold the water because water is colorless. I'm going to show you walking water at home. So for that, you need these ingredients: any watercolor, then 4 glasses, 2 tissue papers, and 1 tap water. You can take how many glasses you want as well as your wish. You can use any color of your choice. For this, you need a lot of patience. So let's start the experiment. You need to take a tissue paper, fold it, then one more time fold it. Then you will get look something like this. Then fold it sideways. Then put it like this. Now I am going to take another tissue paper. One time, fold it second time and keep it on side. And then you need to take the tissue paper, turn it, fold again 2 times, press it. Pour the water in every little only. Now you need to fill up all the glasses with water. Filled up all the transparent glasses with tap water. Now, for part, you need to take all the colors and pour the color into the water. You can choose any color, but I prefer dark colors. I'm gonna prefer a green color and make it the water green. Now I am going to take red color and you need to first you need 4 glasses filled up with a green water or any color you want. Then you need to take this glass and leave space, and here you need to add red color. Now our colorful water is ready. Now I am going to arrange the tissue paper, and you need to have 2 glasses near it. for 2-3 hours for the experiment's result. So you can see it start flowing one glass to another glass. So now we are going to do same experiment but with another way. So for this you need to arrange the glass with pairs. So you need to have one glass filled up with water, colorful water, and another glass empty, and one glass filled up with colorful water and one glass empty. So now I am going to arrange the tissue papers. To arrange the tissue paper like first experiment. Take another tissue paper. So you can see the water start flowing from this glass to this glass and another. So you need to wait for 1 hour at least. And that's for it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.